Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So for today, we are going to explore the Asian side of Istanbul and we're going to visit the Galata Tower.
Galata Tower is located in a central location, which makes it easy to access via public transportation. We took the tram, got off at ��𝐒 and walked up through Bank Street, leading us to the tower through cute alleyways, allowing us to experience the real old Istanbul. Hey guys, we just came over to the Asian side of Istanbul and going to the Galata Tower.
Okay, go Thunder, say hi.
Hey guys, we're going to watch the tower. We're going to Istanbul and Paris.
The Galata Tower is one of the most prominent architectural gems. It welcomes thousands of visitors every year, offering an extraordinary panoramic view of the entire city of Istanbul. Galata Tower has dominated the skyline since 1348 and never lost its gleaming glory since then. It's so high. So we finally made it. We were walking 12 minutes from 𝐿 station and this is the Galata Tower in front of us. You like lollipop?
When they saw the color of the lollipop. This is a watermelon flavor.
Oh really? That's lira.
That's like, oh, it's like $22.
So guys, that's the entrance or the payment for entering to the Galata. It's 650 Turkish lira. So that is somewhere around
A little over $2.
$20, over $20, yeah. A lot of oranges. So here in Istanbul, we noticed that the favorite fruit that they like here among the Turkish people are oranges and pomegranate. You'll see them everywhere. It's very healthy though, it's rich in vitamin C and it's part of their breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They eat that one as part of their dessert. And when you come and visit here, you will see that it's almost everywhere. Like orange juice, pomegranate juice, or you can eat the fruit itself.
After we went to the Galata Tower, we went to Eminönü to visit the Golden Horn that divides the European part of Istanbul.
Clementine, you wanna swim? How about you, Thunder? You wanna swim?
Yeah.
You wanna jump?
No, later.
How about right now?
Later.
Let's go jump. The water's nice, see? So we're gonna cross the street and we are going to ride the tram going back to Sultanahmet area. It's going to be like 4 tram station. It's not really that far. It's very easy to use too. So you just have to get your Istanbul card and put some lira on it, and yeah. Each ride is like 15 lira per person, so it's very helpful. Let's go. Faster, guys. Okay, walk, Thunder. Come here, follow me. So this is where you usually get the Istanbul card, and you can use your Visa credit card, or like your if you have cash, and you just go it from here, and this is how it look like. So you get it from here. There's a language too. You can check. Could be English. So there you click the English, and everything is like very easy. It's very self-explanatory. No, we're not. I'm just showing it in the camera. Come on, let's go, Babu. And then once you get the card, you go from here. You go to the train station. So you make sure that which is train station going. Is it going right there direction or going here? Go, Thunder, first. Oh, go first. Go first. Wait, Thunder.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, go, Mamsi, go. Clementine. Put the card right here. That's me. And we're just waiting for the train. Train is very fast. Like, I think it's every minute.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mommy.
So we're gonna be waiting the train here. Where's the train?
Yeah, we're gonna wait.
Oh, I think it's about to rain. I think that's good that we're going back to the area.
Yeah.
So we did not bring the umbrella.
No, we didn't have.
Oh, Thunder's shoes is got dirty. You have to wipe your shoes, Thunder, later.
No, I'm the day one.
Yeah. Oh, Clementine's too. Our train is here. Okay, right here. Go faster, guys. Right here. Yeah. So we are going to Sultanahmet.
I'll say hi. I'll say hi. Hi guys, we're going
See Sultanahmet.
Hi guys, around the tree.
Wait, Thunder's looking.
Hi, hi. Hi guys, we're going on the trip back to the European side of Istanbul.
Look,
Wow.
nice view.
We're going to Mehmet.
Sultanahmet.
I can see ya. I want some. Hi guys, we did one
Ben anlamıyorum. Ben bir anlamıyorum. Diyor ki bir diyor olur olmaz diye istiyor cevap. Gelmiyor istediği anlamaz.
Nice mosque.
Sen de sigortayı ararsın.
We're back in Sultanahmet area, so we're going to find the exit. The exit here is called Sikis, and entrance is called Giris. So it's very funny because when we first arrived, I thought that Giris is girls, so it says Giris entrance. So go underneath. Let's go to McDonald's first. Let me show the map first. So guys, this is the map. I'm gonna show you the map of the whole tram of Metro Istanbul. So right there. So this is Sultanahmet. That's the hotel we're actually staying. And then just go down right there until 𝐵𝐔𝐶.